Students, I hope you have seen the first three parts of important programs from Chapter 1. This is Part 4. In the first part, we have seen the programs in which we are using controls, input controls, and create a web page. In the second part, we have seen to create a web page with CSS. And in the third part, we have seen creating a web page with list. Here, we are going to see inline frames. Along with that, we will see fill in the blanks. Now from this chapter, objectives and programs are going to come. Here in objectives, for multiple choice question, true or false or match the following, their options are given where you have to pick the correct answer. In the case of fill in the blanks, you have to be thorough with the chapter to get the answer. You need to type the answer there in the text box. In this question, to insert inline frame on web page. So inline frame is used in online advertising. So when do we use an inline frame? If you want to embed an external document or web page into a current HTML web page, then we use an inline frame. So use ABC HTML file as a source for inline frame. And what is the size required? It is 200 by 200 pixels. The basic structure you will write first. And after that, I have placed an H1 here. H1 contains an inline frame, so you can write any heading with the content. After that, you will write the inline frame. So inline is the tag here. It's a container tag. Here I have used here 4 attributes. Attributes are SRC, name, height, and width. We need height and width for the inline frame. And what is the external document name? It is abc.html. It is given here, so you have to use the same file name. Name I have given here T1. It's a unique name because I can have n number of inline frame in my document. So I'm giving a name for this. Height and width, it's mentioned here. Now you have to write about the abc.html, the basic structure you will write, and then after that a heading you will write, and anything you can write inside the heading. So this is how you solve an inline frame program. We have already studied internal CSS, inline CSS, and we have studied about lists also. So in this question, they have combined both. So we have an inline CSS and we have an ordered list also. So such questions also can come for exam. In this question, you have to display digital world having underline using inline CSS, and there is an ordered list. You have to write 2 disadvantages of digital world. So the basic structure. After that, I have written an H1. So this digital word should be underlined. So H1 I've mentioned here as a heading. So I have to use inline CSS. In inline CSS, you will use style as an attribute equal to get underline, you have to write this property called text decoration, 2 words, a hyphen in between, colon, underline is the value in double quotes. You will write digital word, close H1. Now ordered list of 2 advantages of digital world. So I have given an H4 for that. Any heading you can use. After that, it's an ordered list. So I will write OL, it's a container tag, and the 2 list items I have mentioned here, the 2 disadvantages. In this question, it is to display e-commerce, and the font which is needed is Arial. Using inline CSS, there is an ordered list. You have to write 2 advantages of e-commerce. Basic structure. Now I have placed an H1 here. Since it's an inline CSS, you will use style as an attribute. To get the Arial font, we have to write the property called font family, 2 words, hyphen in between, colon, Arial, that's a value in double quotes. E-commerce I've mentioned, I've closed the H1. Now ordered list of 2 advantages. So I have placed an H4 here. Advantages of e-commerce. Then for ordered list, it's a container tag, see, and the 2 advantages I've mentioned in LI. Some important fill in the blanks from the chapter. Students, go through these questions and answers in fill in the blanks. This will be like a quick revision for you all. Fill in the blanks. Each question carries 1 mark. You have to type the answer in the text box provided on the right side. Whenever the tag question is asked, you have to write the answer within the angle brackets.